Back in 2011, I had the opportunity to use a Neve console while studying at Leeds Conservatoire, formerly known as Leeds College of Music, which is where I done my degree in music production. The legendary warmth, harmonic richness, and mix glue that the Neve desk is known for was right there at my fingertips, and I didn't take advantage of it. I regret that to this day. Gutted. Now fast forward to today. While I don't have access to the actual physical console, I found something that captures that magic. Sonimus N Console. For a digital solution, it's as close as you're gonna get without having to fork out tens of thousands for the real thing. So today in this video, we're diving into one of my favorite tools to use while mixing. If you mix in the box and you've been looking for ways to add depth, character, clarity, harmonic saturation that the Neve can give you, but want to keep it digital and cost effective, this plugin might just be your new best friend. Let me show you what this plugin can do. I'll play this mix that is coming out at the end of this month, produced and mixed by me with two very, very talented artists. I'm going to bypass the N console, then I'm going to make it active.
From way back, man, I just give, I never take back. Surrounded by frauds that's quick to make an ape catch. Load up a ocean in case of payback. Crumbs can't waste, man, I for crepe that. Give man a KC beat, watch me vandalize the Maybach. No face, no case. Face that. Tired of the mumbling rappers, I never mumbling. Hate can't hold man down, no stumbling. This a V8 verse, hear the thunder as it's rumbling. JD, I'm under it, located where the dungeon is. The wonder kid, I'm wonderful and fully fucking humbling. Off with the arms and legs up.
Yeah, there's a little bit of swearing in there. If you're easily offended, I apologize.
From way back, man, I just give, I never take back. Surrounded by frauds that's quick to make an ape catch. Load up a ocean in case of payback. Crumbs can't waste, man, I for crepe that. Give man a KC beat, watch me vandalize the Maybach. No face, no case. Face that. Tired of the mumbling rappers, I never mumbling. Hate can't hold man down, no stumbling. This a V8 verse, hear the thunder as it's rumbling. JD, I'm under it, located where the dungeon is. The wonder kid, I'm wonderful and fully fucking humbling. Off with the...
So let's talk about what makes this plugin so special. So the standout features for me is the harmonic saturation, the way that the bass feels, the way that it gives space, depth, clarity. The sounds just pleasing to the ear. And I noticed how the bass and the kicks sound a lot more rich, a lot more full. You got the crosstalk as well. You can change the different crosstalk, which I was doing in the quick example. So you got your modern, your vintage, or no crosstalk. So, and the low CPU usage. When you run your instances on your mixes, you'll notice that it hardly touches your CPU, which is good. It's always a positive. And then you got the customizable tone. Add more drive, saturation. Take the saturation out, add more in. And then you've got your high cuts and your low cuts, which is very pleasing, very musical. What I love most about it is how intuitive it is. It's not hard to use. It's just really simple. Faders, buttons to press, in and out, get your sound. Do you want some crosstalk? Do you want vintage? Do you want modern? Choose. This choice is yours. You can change the VU calibration. We can control all the faders here if we want to. We can use this global saturation. We can take out a bypass so we can just hear what it's actually doing to our mix. So I'm just quickly show you the setup. What you want to do is you want to put an instance on your main art. So when you open your instance on the main art, make sure that you turn on master grouping. This will allow you to control the channels and the bus modules instances that you put across all your other sounds. And then you can control them from these different faders. Name them. I like to have mine as D and B, which is controlling the drums and the bass, which might not be a good idea. You might want to put drums on one, bass in the other, music on the next. It all depends on how you set up your buses. And then once you've done that, put an instance of N Console across all your channels. Now you've got your master grouping, you can group them. So for example, I've got my drums here and I've got instance across all the channels of the drums. They say that you should use the faders to gain stage because then you're going to get the harmonic richness, you get the best out of the plugin. 0 dB, 26 dBFS if you're doing drums. Get it to about 0. If it's too hot, use a meter pre, which will allow you to turn the gain up or down inside Logic so you can see where it's hitting. So I'm trying to gain stage the cap. I need to get this around 0 dBFS. So I'll push it up. But now we're way too hot inside Logic because this fader is post fader. So I want to put it in pre. I turn on pre, gives me the option to turn down the signal after the fader. So I can still have my fader there where it is and then turn it down using that knob. And I want to hit about -18, -16. It all depends on how you want to gain stage your drums or whatever sound it is that you're using. And that's how easy it is to gain stage. Once you've gained stage all your channels and got your instances across all the channels, then you want to put instances on your buses as well. But this time, when you put an instance on your bus, you need to change the module. You can do that by just clicking on that little icon here on the left and then choosing bus. Simple as that. Make sure you route your buses to your master grouping, because I'm going to show you why that's important in a sec. So then we open up our console. So once you've got all your instances sent to your master grouping, then you can use the global controls to control. You can control your channels from the fader, you can control the buses from the faders, or you can control both. So let's just hear what this sounds like just on the kicks, kicking the drum. Hear the clap. And the bass. Sounds more aggressive, more, love it. So let's hear it with just the vocals.
Way back, man, I just give, I never take back. Surrounded by frauds that's quick to make an ape catch. Load up a osh in case of payback. Crumbs can't waste, man, I for crepe that. Give man a KC beat, watch me vandalize the Maybach. No face, no case. Deface that. Tired of the mumbling rappers, I never mumble it. And hate can't hold man down. No stop, way back. Man, I just give, I never take back. Surrounded by frauds that's quick to make an ape catch. Load up a osh in case of payback. Crumbs can't waste, man, I for crepe that. Give man a KC beat, watch me vandalize the Maybach. No face, no case. Deface that. Tired of the mumbling rappers, I never mumble it. And hate can't hold man down, no stumbling. This a V8 verse, hear the thunder as it's rumbling. JD, I'm under it, located way back. Man, I just give, I never take back. Surrounded by frauds that's quick to make an ape catch. Load up a osh in case of payback. Crumbs can't waste, man.
I like that. And this is on the music. Jeez. Nice. And across the full mix.
Way back, man, I just give, I never take back. Surrounded by frauds that's quick to make an ape catch. Load up a osh in case of payback. Crumbs can't waste, man, I for crepe that. Give man a KC beat, watch me vandalize the Maybach. No face, no case. Deface that. Tired of the mumbling rappers, I never mumble it. And hate can't hold man down, no stumbling. This a V8 verse hit.
See, what I like to do with this as well is, or anytime that I'm mixing and using the plugin, is to not look at, what I'll do is I'll press it like 6, 7, 10 times with my eyes, like my head down. I'm not looking at the screen, just listening to what's going on. And then I'll click it.
Way back, man, I just give, I never take back. Surrounded by frauds that's quick to make an ape catch. Load up a osh in case of payback. Crumbs can't waste, man, I for crepe that. Give man a KC beat, watch.
It makes it, when you're not looking at the screen or looking at what you're doing and you're just using your ears, you get to feel what the plugin is doing. Let's go again.
Way back, man, I just give, I never take back. Surrounded by frauds that's quick to make an ape catch. Load up a osh in case of payback. Crumbs can't waste, man, I for crepe that. Give man a KC beat, watch me vandalize the Maybach. No face, no case. Deface that.
That's how you know. That's how you know the plugin is on point. That's another little tip for you. Just don't look at the screen, close your eyes. click it a few times, see till you've lost count, so you don't know. Then play it, click. How does it sound? Click. How does that sound? If it's better, you know that the plugin's doing a good job. If it's not, you know that plugin's off. My favorite plugin from Sonimus. I want to see what else Sonimus does and what they bring out. I know they've got some other EQs and that I want to test out. If you used the N Console, tell me, let me know what your thoughts are, how you finding it in your mixes. It's like I said, if you're looking to add a little zhuzh to your mixes, then N Console is a no-brainer. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers quality results. So I've lined up 2 videos for you to check out. Choose one, and I'll see you over there.